Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Katrice, and today we are going to be doing my updated eyebrow routine. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button since you're already here watching me now, and we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. They're not freshly waxed or whatever the word is, but I did it last week, and please excuse the rest of my face. I just finished prepping my face for the rest of my makeup, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So first I am going to laminate my eyebrows. So I don't have the Got To Be Glue actual gel, but I do have the spray, so I'm going to spray it onto my spoolie, and I'm going to push my eyebrows up. Okay. I'm just gonna push the top pieces of my eyebrows across to actually make the shape of my eyebrows. So just like that. I'm gonna let it dry. And then I'm going to take one of my flat foundation brushes, and I'm going to pat some finishing powder on it, so some translucent powder, and not too much, literally just that much. And I'm going to pat it on. And now I'm just going to fill them in as I would normally do. So I do a bottom line first, and then I do my top line, and then I fill in the rest. Alright, next you're going to outline with your concealer. I use my MAC NW50 Studio Finish Concealer pot. And I use a flat brush, eyebrow brush. This is BH Cosmetics. So after I finish outlining my eyebrows, I am going to take the Il Makiage Hypnotize Fill and Fix Eyebrow Shaper, and I'm just going to fill basically again in those spots. So I like to start towards the front, but not the very front of my brow, and you just pushing the eyebrows up once again. You're gonna fill in any spots you missed. I like to add a little tail to this side. And then once most of the product is used, then I go in the front and I'll just flick it up. And then I'll take all that extra stuff and just move my brows back towards the side. just like that. Next side. That is my eyebrow routine, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and I'll see y'all at the end of the video. Alright you guys, thank you guys for watching this video. That was my updated eyebrow routine. If you liked the routine, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And again, I'll see you guys in the next video.